Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Those barcodes you see on all types of packaging are on their way out. GS1 US, the standards organization behind the barcodes, has developed a new standard which will be pushed out more widely next year. It uses QR codes that can deliver much more information to consumers and retailers. Senior VP Melanie Nuce Hilton.
Every product has a story, and that story is best told through the consumer's ability to interact with the product, either at checkout or through their smartphone. Food waste is an important issue that we're trying to tackle as an industry. So a QR code on a product, it contains information about the expiration.
The QR code can deliver information about nutrition and allergies, or even link to recipes.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.